Alrighty, welcome back, FFI team. I'm going to be going over the homework that I did on NASDAQ today. Today is the 8th of May. First thing I did, I separated the days just so I can be in the overall picture. So these are 3 days in one picture. I'm using a 15-minute time frame. And here is the same chart with EMAs on and everything. My thesis, you guys know, I like to see a price getting trapped in a zone. And my entry is always going to be above the break or below the break for reversals. So in this case, we have the price trapping right here, as this is the open range. This was the low, and this was the initial high. We broke above, as this is my first indication, and then my first target would have been this low, and it got hit with 3 hits, and you guys know the rule, 3 hits to the low, it's an imminent reversal. And confirmation, the EMA crossing over, the EMA crossing over again, as well the 250 crossing over. The overall structure and the format we have is the WVVM. So this is my thesis that I'm going to have one day of push, and then pullback, another push, another pullback, and then we're going to expect the third hit, which is day 3. I'm expecting a reversal by tomorrow. Just based on how we broke down the range, you guys can see this is the range that we started at. And I normally buy on the 30% price, and I normally sell around the 70%. And look for re-entries around the 50% of the range. This was the previous range, and we broke below it. And that was my reversal signal. So this is day 1. Day 2 is today. I'm expecting tomorrow to be day 3 as well. Here's my key levels. As I mentioned, the initial low, initial high, and then the open range. The setup I was looking at, exactly the same as this, where we trap, we break above, and then we break below, and then we come sweep both of these highs, the previous sessions, which in this case we have a Asia session high, and we have London session high, and here we in New York. I'm expecting this to sweep up 3 hits and reverse by Friday to give us a reversal to the midweek price range. Here's my expectation on NASDAQ for tomorrow. I'm expecting it to break, show us 3 hits, pull, give us a range, break above the range. This is a signal for sales, and I would look to sell heavy if I see that play out. If you want to get access to this PDF file, I will leave it in the Telegram group. Links for that will be in the description.